Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Dive Digital Central, your go-to source for all the latest in tech. Today, we're diving into the exciting new experiences brought to you by Apple iOS 18. If you thought iOS 17 was impressive, wait until you see what's in store with this latest update. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the redesigned home screen. Apple has taken customization to a whole new level with iOS 18. You can now personalize your home screen with dynamic widgets that adapt to your usage patterns. Imagine having your most used apps and widgets automatically rearranged based on your daily routines. Privacy has always been a top priority for Apple, and iOS 18 is no exception. The new Privacy Dashboard gives you a detailed overview of how apps are using your data. Plus, there's a new App Tracking Transparency feature that lets you control which apps can track your activity across other companies' apps and websites. Your data, your rules. Artificial intelligence is at the heart of iOS 18. Siri is now smarter and more intuitive than ever. It can understand context better, predict your needs, and offer proactive suggestions. And with advanced text recognition, you can interact with text in your photos, copying, pasting, or translating text right from your camera roll. It's like having a personal assistant right in your pocket. Performance and battery life have seen significant improvements in iOS 18. Apps launch faster, multitasking is smoother, and your device is more responsive overall. Apple has optimized the operating system to extend battery life, so you can enjoy all these new features without worrying about running out of juice. Staying connected is easier and more fun with the new Messages and FaceTime features. In Messages, you can now create and share memojis with more customization options than ever. FaceTime has also received a major upgrade with spatial audio, making conversations feel more natural and immersive. And with SharePlay, you can watch movies, listen to music, or share your screen with friends during FaceTime calls, perfect for those virtual hangouts. Last but not least, iOS 18 is pushing the boundaries of augmented and virtual reality. With improved ARKit and new VR support, developers can create more immersive and interactive experiences. From gaming to education, the possibilities are endless. Get ready to step into a new dimension with iOS 18,